Okay, this is very simple meatballs. Let me turn this slightly. So got a bowl, got a pound of ground beef, some frying pan, this, and meat. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna warm up some olive oil on the frying pan. Now, you might want to do this a little bit later simply because you might be slower than me. So the frying pan can be turned on for you later. We need some meat in here. When you put the egg in, it makes the meat stick together. It's like a gluing compound. Okay, spices. Now this is my preferred spices. So obviously some salt. Okay. Whoa, sorry. I'll have to wash it. A little bit of pepper, chili powder in this case. So want something spicy. And my favorite one for ground beef and chicken, honestly, for really anything, is cumin. See? Cumin. I usually do like a tablespoon probably for about a pound. Okay, it's warming up. We need an onion. I like red onions. I eat it with everything. Okay, while the onions are cooking, I'm gonna mix delicious. You don't need a glove, but it makes it less messy. Just kind of squish it in between your fingers and mix it all the way. See? Yeah, yeah. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in here, just because I really didn't put a lot. And a little bit more pepper. It's kind of stuck together now. It's going to be very, very easy to make meatballs out of it. 1 pound of meat, 1 egg, some spices. That's it. Olive oil. So this is going to be green beans with some of the onions and weird green beans that my friend gave me from her garden. Again, I'm just making it up as I go. Olive oil. Gonna let it warm up. Then I'm gonna transfer some of the onions over, and the rest of the onions are gonna go into the ground beef. My green beans are not ready yet, so I'm gonna work on that for a second. They're just really weird looking, see? And this is half of it. So I'm just gonna, I don't even need to cut it, I can just break it. We'll throw away. This is cooking. Awesome. A little bit too much of a fire. Always use a medium fire, whatever medium is for you. Okay. Green beans. That's what it looks like now. You know what it needs? It needs still garlic. So a little bit of salt, chili powder, because that's what I got out, just to make it a little bit peppery, and garlic. I mean, you can use powdered garlic, you can use really any kind of garlic, but the one I prefer is fresh garlic. This garlic has been already glowing, look at that. That's okay, still good. Mix the pork. Okay, this is pretty much done. This needs lower fire because the onions are getting to be a little bit browner than I like, and the green beans still need time. This is how you do the garlic. Okay, don't attempt all 3 dishes at once, simply because, you know, I'm more of a professional. So I cut off the ends, but they kind of look icky. And then I take the end of the knife, put it on the garlic, hit with my hand. And then you just chop it like this. Garlic goes in. Give it a few minutes. Now this is the onion, and it's gonna go straight into the I'm gonna take this off the fire for a bit because I need a few minutes to make meatballs. Okay, glove back on. Now I normally like waiting for the onion to cool slightly, and on top of the cold meat, it doesn't take long. Come on. Okay, I'm not doing the glove. Forget the glove. Again, you just mix it all in, just like we were doing before. Once it's mixed, medium, good, awesome. So you just take this, and you just take about this much, and you're just gonna go like that. Don't press too hard, it needs to roll. If you press too hard, you'll get it squished, and you'll get, instead of a meatball, you'll get a burger. But which is fine too, you can actually squish it and make a burger. Just make a little bit bigger piece. See, I'm just throwing them into the frying pan because it's already oiled, because we just put the onions in there. You don't need to add any more oil, and the meat in its own has some fat in it, so it's fine. The reason why I like putting onions into the actual meatball, not just because of the flavor, but because it breaks down the texture, and so they're a little bit softer. That's too much. You could pre-roll them and just put them on a plate or something. You don't have to do what I do, because I do them extremely fast because of years of experience. You don't have to do it like that. When you're ready, transfer them all. I'm just slightly turning the meatballs like that so they cook on more than one side. And then I'll do it again 2 more times so it cooks on all the sides. Now you can at that point put sauce into it and cook them with sauce after they're all brown. Or you could put them into a soup to make meatball soup if you wanted to. Again, like nice and gentle, just kind of pop it off. The fork, a spoon will do it, spatula will do it. Green beans. I think I need a little bit bigger fire. because I don't smell the garlic. Once I smell the garlic, I know it's really cooking. Alright, I consider this done. I don't like them too mushy. I think that this is done. It's pretty good. No red. That means it's well done. If you had red, it's still okay because beef you can eat when it's partly not cooked. You know, medium well. To die for. Now let's try green bean. Yep. Turning this off. Dinner.